Now, today I want to show you how to work with text in Photoshop. So here, few images I have downloaded from the website 7themes.com. This one is the website Amazing Wallpapers Collections. It contains many wallpapers, right? 7themes.com. So from this only I have downloaded few images according to my requirement to just show you something in Photoshop. So how to work with text? So here I am just opening this file. This one is right. Now I'm going to write text on this image, and that text I will extract from this image only, right? That text I will extract from this image only. But before that, I want to show you just simple in a simple way how to work with text. So this is one image, right? I will work on that image later on. First of all, this I'm just going to write some. I'm going to give some caption to this image, some title to this image. So this is the text tool. Click here and write down the Lion King. The Lion King. I can increase the size, and my favorite font is when I want to give headings impact. Right, the Lion King. Here it is. Now control T for transform or edit. You can go from here also transform, and you can scale from here also. And one more option is free transform. Free transform will give you flexibility. That means in free transform you can scale also, you can rotate also, you can skew also, I mean to say. So but I most of the time use shortcuts for. So here it is, control T. And always when you want to scale down or scale up, always use shift alt key to do it in proportion. So see here, the Lion King. I want to change its color. T is the shortcut to select the text tool in Photoshop. I am using older version of Photoshop, that is Photoshop 7. So see, whatever application you are having, no problem. Whatever your application you are having, no problem. You can just, the main thing is that to be focused and to be clear about what you are going to do. That's it, right? That will work fine. Yes, but if you are going with latest upgradation of latest version of the software, you will get more tools, right, through which you can easily and conveniently fulfill your task. But as we are designing over here, as far as designing application and designing tools are concerned, so for the basic design you can opt for any application, right, unless and until your requirement is specific, right? So no problem with that, because I have latest version also, but I am right now showing you in Photoshop 7, right? So no problem. So the Lion King, select this. I want to give it color white, so here we can change the color from this area. And if you want to give some types of effects on the text, you can go from here. See, the Lion King flag in type of effects, right? Vertical or horizontal. So here I have given white color. That's it. See, the Lion King. Now I want to make it separate, this line only. Select Control X for cut, and then again somewhere I'm pasting it and putting this over here, line, the king. So better to the king. So select the king also, and make the font size 100, and this line, the line, make it a little bigger, the king, that's it, the Lion King. Now see, here it is, the Lion King. The Lion King. Here it is, King also. Make it bigger. Lion King. The Lion King. And then link. I am linking these three text, and now I am making it small altogether. The Lion King. Here it is. The title is, caption is The Lion King. This is how you can work with text. Very simple, right? So now if you want to change your text, so you can go with that, right? Just press pre or go with this text tool. Now the Lion King. Uh, Now text is complete. Now I want to give some effects on this text. So for that purpose, I will go to layer style, that is situated in this layer panel. This layer panel. Here it is, layer style. Click on this, drop shadow, and now here I am going to give drop shadow. There are other effects also, right? Many other effects also. So drop shadow, by default I am going to do nothing except increasing. I'm increasing some distance, okay, and spread, size, distance, size, the Lion King. Hmm. This is contour. If you want to apply some contour, means outline type of effect, you can give that, right? So where is that drop shadow? Is here it is, drop shadow, and here I'm increasing its distance, and size a bit and spread also. Okay, done with this, right? So now here it is appearing. See, here this effect is appearing in this text line. Then the name of this text is land. By default it has taken whatever I started writing, whatever I wrote before. So line it is taken. We can change the name also, text name. So here it is, effects. In effects, drop shadow, right? Now I want to, I have applied only on land, not the and king, because linking all these three text layers will not if you are, after linking these three text, and if you are applying some effects on one layer, then that will not affect other layer, right? So now if all three will be in one layer, then we can do that. But right now it's all, there are three layers, so I want to apply the same effect on the other two layers. Then just right click, copy layer style, and right click, paste layer style, and again close this. Here come and paste layer style. Now we have applied in all the three layers the same style of, right? So this is done, the Lion King. That's it. That's how we can work with text. Now if we want to give some effects, we can do that also, right? That's it. Go to file, save as, and name it PSD3. Save a file, save for web. If you want to take the output size is 2560, I don't need this size, I need 1000 only, width 1000, and save PSD3, save. That's it. All right. Now one more thing I want to show you, that here it is, one more image. Again I'm going to working with text. So here again I'm writing the Lion King. That is done, the Lion King. Here now I want, give it a color, double click on the text layer, and from here you can change the color of the text. I'm taking black, giving its color black. So see this is the Lion King. But right now I don't want the text to appear like this with black color. Instead of this, I want to appear the text, whatever text I have chosen, I want to appear the text. I want to extract the text from the background only. I want to I want to extract the shape, whatever the shape of the text is, I want to fill it with same background color as it is lying on the canvas area. So for that reason, you first make this text selection. So to make this text selection, just control click on the text. Here it is, right? Now hide this. See, this is, now you have converted your text into selection. Then now this is new layer, create new layer, and I'm just preserving this layer, original layer, the Lion King. Maybe uh, it requires afterwards, maybe. So layer 1, I have created one new layer and naming it text, right? And now go to your original layer, background, copy and paste. That's it, done. See, so these two layers I have taken as a reference, so I am hiding this layer, and this layer also I am hiding. Now see these two layer. One more layer is there, layer one. This is, name it extract extracted, extracted, right? Extracted text bg, right? Now, but it is showing us nothing. So to show it, give some effects on the text. See the Lion King, how it is appearing. Or give some bevel and emboss. Yes, on this text apply some bevel and emboss effect. Inner bevel emboss or below emboss. Yes, no, below emboss. And then see here, bevel and emboss we are giving, and here I have given below emboss. And then adjust the settings. This ring contour I am giving. This looks better. So this is how we can give the Lion King, right? This is how we can extract the, means we can extract the background in the form of a text, right? This is how we can work with text. So that is only for this lesson. So do it and design your own working with text, right? That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching.